better.
Smooth Gefixt, ouwe.
Take care about nature. We screwed ourselves big time again. Heavy rain is coming in. All we have is some paracord, survival knife, bow direction in the rain. Wish me luck. And don't look at my not so fitting running shoes, eh? Let's go. Lots of birch. At least we have some birches in this area. Let's see. I think this is my only option for a bird nest. We don't see much other tinners than this, but it should work. This is the wet side, so we take it here. That fine stuff. You want that fine stuff, huh? Oh man, wind is picking up, guys. Wind is picking up. Yeah, pretty dangerous to be in a forest right now. Oh. Yeah, rain is coming in, guys. Rain is going in, folks. It is not looking well, that's what I do know. Bow drill material ASCP. Maybe this is worth something. Punky. It's basically only oak here with a birch. Now oak is not gonna work for my bow drill.
You want some softwoods like willow, sycamore, alder, etc.
This doesn't look too bad now. Maybe we have something here.
General rule would be if you put your nail in the wood and it leaves a mark, it's soft enough.
Let's see. This is elderberry. This could be good for bow drill, guys. This is promising. Yeah, I need to make myself a little shelter or something to keep these materials dry. Oh man, rain is picking up big time, huh? Okay, I guess here's a shelter that I can't find for now. I'm gonna make a little, I hope to find some bark or something to keep the materials dry under. Here, look, we have some bark. Ah, dang it. Holes in that. It's not gonna give me any rain cover. Oh, sorry folks. Oh man, I messed this up. Put that back. Yeah. It's rough. It's rough out. Bark, here, look. Yes. Take that with me. Sorry guys, the filming quality it's degrading because it's rough out filming and messing around in the rain. Actually, those running shoes, they're not so bad for in the forest, man. I can move so freely through all the mess. For a little bit like that. Okay, find some more materials. That's a wet camera. Oh man, this sucks. I'm starting to be already cold. If you got a widowmaker sometime here nearby, you have to be on your watch now. beste vrienden. You're blessed that you have at least a rain protection here for at least my upper body. No rain trousers, but yeah. But I'm pretty sheltered here. But man, my fingers they're freezing already. Alright, so things have calmed down a bit. So it's time to get to work. Let's see if this is still a little bit dry. Here I might see a little piece that we can use as a bow. Bow. What do we think about this all now? Not so good as what I hoped for. Okay, let's see. Oh man, new rain coming in. Uh-oh. Keep this the dry. Oh man, bad weather coming in again. Okay, that's a bow. Least important. Least important. It's done. Can we just have some nice weather, please? And then suddenly there was a bit of sunshine again. So I got thinking of making spindle here of this piece of wood. I think important characteristic for a survival knife is that it is also capable of some proper chopping. So that is what my essay will do just very fine. Let's see what we can do here. Whew. The weather, man, just half an hour ago. Crazy, crazy. And now we have sunshine. What a contrast, what a contrast. Okay, make this a nice spindle. Nice and straight. It's of course important. And I'll be right back with you. Okay, spindle is about done. Spindle, about thumb size thick. I'm shivering, guys. I'm pretty cold. It's windy. Should be drilling soon. Will keep me warm again. Yes. Shivering, man. Yeah, this weather, it can be even more dangerous for hypothermia. In the middle of winter. The rain, the wetness. So cold. But it's fine, it's fine. Well, it won't be an award-winning one, especially for the looks, but if it's gonna bring us a fire, then that'd be grand. Oh man, I'm cold, I'm cold. This is gonna be the bearing block, supposedly. Yeah, be careful with this, huh? There was a bit stupid. Yeah, I'm not gonna say much anymore, guys, because I'm really cold. I am really cold. Drilling in. Of course, later I will do it in a normal position, but I thought, to be quick, try out this. That should be enough. They're carving in the notch.
The notch should be about 45 degrees wide and 1/3 of the hole diameter in.
It's the wind, man. The wind. Oh, it's so hard to warm up again. Uh-oh, I hope I don't get sick. Okay, I will think that will do for now.
Unfortunately, the birch bark I gathered earlier turned out to be all soaking in the pocket of my jacket.
This be dry already. I guess I can use this. This dries very quickly, especially with the wind.
Gathering some kindling. With this amount of wind, the birch twigs seem to be pretty dry already.
Let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Hopefully quickly. Start easy. Warming that thing up. That goes pretty smooth already.
So always start slowly with the bow drill, preserving energy. First drill easy and fill up the notch with brown dust. Once the notch is filled, give it all you got. Here I actually started the pace a little early, before the notch is all filled, but oh well.
Okay, we got a little coal, but it's just a little one. Okay, now I like to use my knife to put it in. Very careful. I hope to have some more dust, because it's just a very little one.
And pause. Sorry to kill the tension, guys, but we got fire. So I finished my blow here and look to the side of the nest where a little bit of grass is burning. Now what would you do here? What I would normally do is turn the nest around so that a little flame burns upwards the nest and the whole nest ignites. This is very quick thinking now, but since this nest is quite damp and I barely got a flame, I decide to give it one more blow. Guess what happened? The fire completely dies out. So I guess explaining this, once the nest ignited, the core burned away immediately, while the outer part of the nest was still pretty damp, not catching flames. I blow one more time, blowing out the flames, and the core is already burned away. No heat, nothing. Back to scratch. Okay, we were very close, but this stuff is really damp. So, we need another ember in it. Yeah, it's obviously, you know, after such a big rainfall, I was already surprised that it was relatively dry within an hour, just with the amount of wind we had, you know. Okay. So I do another drill session, quickly get an ember, a small one though. Too small and a badly configured nest. Do some more drilling, a new hole, starting to get tired, and it's dark. Now, I'm pretty confident that I would have been able to get a fire going here, especially based on the pretty smooth first attempt, considering the circumstances. But since my headlight was empty and couldn't really film in the dark, and also was supposed to be home again, this was it for today. No fire, but we were very close, eh? Some good survival practice after all, some lessons learned I guess, which I'm going to need for some intense survival challenges coming up. Check out the other intense fire making challenges here. Weekly uploads on the Friday, subscribe to the Smooth Gefixt, notification updates, the coolest. Thanks a lot for subscribing, watching, liking, and especially your comments. And see you next Friday.